Hello there, and welcome to Arcadia Founder. My name is Zach, and I am the founder of Arcadia. Today we will be exploring how Arcadia is a society designed, not inherited, where government isn't about party politics or outdated traditions, but about structure, resilience, and design. In this video, we'll break down Arcadia's tri-branch system, the Civic Arbiter, and how their governance model could reshape how we think about leadership, policy, and power. Arcadia is built around three distinct but interdependent branches: the Guardian Assembly, akin to your traditional federal government, the Foundation Corps, similar to state/provincial government, and the Civic Concord, modeled off of municipal/local government. Together, they form a coordinated republic. At the center sits the Civic Arbiter, a neutral overseer who ensures everything stays in balance. The Guardian Assembly is Arcadia's national defense arm. It protects the Constitution, manages emergencies, and activates continuity protocols. This branch is highly meritocratic and nonpartisan. Its leaders are internally appointed based on proven readiness and performance. Think of it as Arcadia's shield: quiet, prepared, and activated when the system is under threat. The Foundation Corps runs Arcadia's resource economy. It ensures every citizen has access to food, shelter, healthcare, water, and energy. Its leaders are elected regionally, and those regional directors select the national leader. This mix of democracy and meritocracy ensures capability and accountability. The Foundation Corps also tracks the Civic Coverage Index, or CCI, a modifiable threshold for how extensively the resource economy can meet essential needs in a given region. This allows room for the currency economy to thrive without impacting those who require essential coverage. The Civic Concord oversees Arcadia's currency economy, education system, civic credit program, and national research initiatives. It is fully democratic. All leaders are directly elected by the people. As the most politically diverse branch, it hosts Arcadia's ideological debates and drives its cultural innovation, giving room for typical party politics to function without diffusing into the rest of the governmental structure. This is the branch of vision, values, and forward motion, a civic engine powered by public voice. The Civic Arbiter is not a ruler, but a guardian of structure. They ensure mandates are feasible and the system remains balanced. They can pause or return mandates if structurally harmful, and are responsible for ensuring that at minimum 75% of past mandates are implemented by the beginning of the next mandate cycle. In times of systemic disruption, the Arcadia can also trigger rapid adaptation triggers to temporarily stabilize key systems under review, helping the system adapt rapidly while staying accountable and fair. Arcadia runs on a transparent mandate system with three tiers. Tier 1, local policies and regional programs. Tier 2, regional policies and national programs. And Tier 3, national policies and constitutional changes. Each region votes on its own Tier 1 mandates, shares some Tier 2 policies, and unifies around Tier 3 constitutional decisions, allowing local voice to impact local matters primarily, while ensuring all voices are taken into account on issues that impact everyone. Each mandate goes through a 5-stage process: proposal, simplification, simulation, vote, and implementation. This creates a culture of participatory governance that's adaptive, testable, and grounded in civic engagement. These branches don't compete. They cooperate within a structured dynamic. The Arbiter facilitates dispute resolution and ensures each branch respects its limits. Mandates pass between them, but no single branch can dominate. CivicNet, the digital infrastructure, connects them all while giving citizens a direct role in reform. In collapse scenarios, Arcadia activates the Phoenix Protocol. The Guardian Assembly coordinates restoration, and temporary tribunals step in to uphold civic order. Rapid adaptation triggers give the Arbiter temporary power to prevent failure, followed by public audits and reviews. Arcadia is resilient by design, ready to bend without breaking. What can founders learn from this? Arcadia isn't a utopia. It's a framework. It proves you can structure flexibility, balance competing forces, design for conflict without chaos. Every founder building systems of power should study how Arcadia aligns purpose with process. Arcadia shows us that governance doesn't have to be broken. It can be built. If you're designing something that matters, a startup, a system, a society, Structure it intentionally and give it the power to grow naturally, or it will eventually buckle under its own weight. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to Arcadia Founder for more insights on world building, design, and the future of leadership. If you'd like to learn more by yourself, please check out Arcadia Explained, the AI chatbot I made to help those interested explore how Arcadia functions. I thank you for your time and your presence in this video, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.